engineering undergrad and founder of Cocovana. So a few years ago, I was diagnosed with high blood pressure. At that time, medications alone did not lower my blood pressure enough. But what did help was to also drink fresh coconut water because of its high levels of potassium and vitamin C. Living in South Florida, I had coconut trees in the front yard, and my dad would chop them open with a machete. But when he wasn't home, I couldn't drink fresh coconut water. So I created the coconut twist. The coconut twist is a can opener for coconuts. It cuts a 1-inch hole into the coconut safely in seconds. It's portable, durable, and it doesn't create a mess. It also works on apples and pineapples. And it's proprietary because a patent has been recently granted. Now, coconut water is currently the fastest growing beverage right now in the world and has grown to a $1 billion industry just in the US. However, most bottled coconut water is pasteurized, which destroys nutrition and alters the taste. This is not the case for fresh coconut water. Fresh coconuts are already being sold in many retailers all over the world, and my product will be placed right next to those coconuts in the produce section. Now, I can manufacture a coconut twist for $7 and I can wholesale it for $12.50. I'm currently seeking $40,000 in order to do the first production run, which I can make back in revenue by selling 7,400 units. And it's a great investment because the coconut twist is a revolutionary new tool that will change the way the world opens coconuts forever. Thank you.
By the way, why does your father have a machete?
My dad has a machete because he's Jamaican and all Jamaicans have
So can I buy that one from you today?
For enough money, maybe.
The question is, so where is it manufactured?
So there's 2 manufacturers overseas that are quoting it right now. One of those import companies that's helping with that is owned by the co-founder of Redbox, Mike the Laser, which I'm sure a lot of people here at CEO knows. And he's been a great guy that's been advising me throughout the whole process of the manufacturing parts of it. But because I machine my own prototypes, like I do this myself, I don't outsource it, I'm very knowledgeable to deal with the manufacturers. So when I'm talking to them right now, we're on the same exact page, all thanks to the engineering background that I have.
Okay, thank you.
Woo, Sheldon!
The second one that I want to comment on was Sheldon and the coconut twist. And for both of these entrepreneurs, I have an affinity towards both of the products. I like it a lot, but more importantly, they both did an excellent job of their passion and it exuded the product. I'm particularly interested in Jamaica, so wherever he is,
right here.
Where are you? Right here.
Right here.
So for both of you, I would like to spend some time with each one of you. I personally picked out both of you because there's lots of people I'd like to introduce you to. Her in the health food industry and packaging for her, and for you, a lot of product development people and manufacturing and things like that. So I want to spend a little bit more time with both of you. So congratulations on the passion. Okay.